Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rashida here. So guys, many of you asked me to do the price of iron sheets. Since we have just done roofing, I got a lot of messages of people asking me to do the video about the price of iron sheets or about the price of our iron sheets. The type of iron sheets we used on our house was Roman tiles. That was the type of iron sheets we used. And we bought our iron sheets from Uganda Bati, straight from the factory. That's where we bought our iron sheets from. And each iron sheet, body bati, it was going for 90,000 Ugandan shillings. Buli bat twaligula emitwalo 9. And for some reasons, I wasn't able to record a video when we were at the factory. I wasn't able to record that video, yet I wanted to do a video showing you different types of iron sheets. But the good news is, I was moving around, then I was able to go to one of the showroom of Uganda Bati. It sells iron sheets. So I got a short clip or a short video. So in this video, I'm going to show you the different types of iron sheets and their prices. This showroom, which I'm talking about, it's on Kira Road or Chira Road. That's where the showroom is. They sell iron sheets from Uganda Bati. I'm going to share with you this video. You never know, it may help someone who is going to roof the house or someone who is building the house. And without talking much, let me share with you guys the video. And please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, like the video. You can leave a comment down below. So enjoy the video. Then versatile yameka munana kasanvu bitano ate eno munana kanana bitano. Then ate eno lifestyle zimu neziri geji 26 yameka esatu n'ekitundu pa pano kati. Then eri bagita bati rich omugongo yameka ya mitwalo 3. So guys, this is the type of the iron sheet we use to roof our house, and it's called Roman tile. They go for 90,000 Ugandan shillings. Although that 90,000, it includes the VAT. When you buy your iron sheets from the factory, they add on the VAT fee. That's why you're hearing me saying that each iron sheet was going for 90,000. That includes the VAT fee. So guys, let me also give you the price of the ridges, varies, and the ridge end caps. Guys, the varies we are going for 34,200 Ugandan shillings per vary. Then the ridges we are going for 34,500 Ugandan shillings, again per ridge. Then the ridge end cap we are going for 23,000 Ugandan shillings. So guys, I hope I've answered the question of those who are asking me about the prices of iron sheets. We bought ours from Uganda Bati, straight from the factory, and those were the prices according to the factory price. So guys, I'll end my video from here. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and you can leave a comment down below. I'll say goodbye for now and see you in my next video. I love you.